Hello everyone, welcome to Python Essentials, the only course you need to kickstart your Python programming journey and start building your own applications. Whether you are a complete beginner, someone brushing up on skills, or just curious about Python, this course is tailored to make learning engaging and accessible. I've got everything you need here. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Siam Ahmed, a seasoned backend engineer. Python was my first programming language, and it's still my go-to. Along with JavaScript and Go, I use popular frameworks like Django, FastAPI, and Express. Django is my personal favorite. Over the years, I've honed my skills in backend development, database, automation, cybersecurity, and app development. I've been learning and teaching programming for almost 5 years, and I'm thrilled to bring you my first Udemy course. How to make the most of this course? Here's a bit of advice before we jump into the coding. First, this course is structured to be perfect for beginners, so no worries if you're completely new. I highly encourage you to code along with me. Open your IDE and work through each example as I do. And remember, there's no such thing as a silly question. So if you ever feel stuck, don't hesitate to ask questions. When in doubt, Google is your best friend. Python may be your first programming language, but you have got this, and you'll see just how much fun it can be. Now, why Python? Now you might be wondering, why Python? With so many languages out there, why should you start here? Well, Python is widely recognized as one of the easiest languages to learn, and it's incredibly versatile. It's a general-purpose language that can be used for almost anything, from web development to data science, automation, and even game development. Its syntax is simple and almost reads like English, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and a powerful tool for experts. So, what's in this course? We're going to start with the fundamentals, understanding data types, variables, and how to use them. Once you've got that down, we'll move into control flow with if statements, loops, and functions. Then we'll dive into basic data structures like lists, dictionaries, and sets, which are essential for working with data. From there, it's on to the advanced topics like object-oriented programming and error handling. And finally, to bring it all together, we'll wrap up with some real-world projects and a few fun assignments to challenge you. What can you do with Python? Python shines in areas like backend development, machine learning, AI, and automation. While this course covers the essentials, I'll be launching a follow-up course that delves into these advanced topics. But remember, mastering the basics first is key to long-term success. So let's get started. Thanks for joining me on this journey. The code we work on together will be available in a GitHub repository, so you can follow along and reference it as needed. I'll include links to these resources in each section. I can't wait to see you in the course. Let's start coding.